Hello loves, Gabrielle Reyes here, and welcome back to Lesson 5 of Jumpstarting Your Vegan Journey, where we will be mastering the grocery store. No matter what grocery store you step into, there is one simple way to make sure you are getting all of the nutrients, vitamin, minerals, and delicious food that you need in your life. Step 1, be sure to go straight to the produce section. There, I want you to pick up one of every single color of the rainbow. I'm talking red, orange, yellow, green, all the way to purple. Make sure you get a produce of every single color. This can be bell peppers, grapes, blueberries, and more. Now, before I go to a grocery store, I always make sure to make some sort of list. And on this list, there's always an abundance of produce. I always have some kind of carb. This can be rice or pasta, some kind of meaty element, which is typically mushrooms or jackfruit or even chickpeas too, for being 100%. And then a creamy element, which I love personally to get myself some hummus or even some avocado or even like salsa. And then, of course, I always like to write down some kind of fresh element. Typically for me, it's green onions or dill or parsley. Now, before you go to the grocery store, make sure to think about exactly what you want to eat that week. I love to eat soups and salads, sandwiches, and those are simple recipes that you can use an abundance of different vegetables, produce, and other ingredients to create. So before you get into the kitchen and try to whip up a different recipe, something unique or even super simple, make sure you have all of the ingredients and write down exactly what you need. Since I love to start my grocery trips in the produce aisle, I make sure I get all of my healthy ingredients, my vibrant vegetables, and my beautiful fruit, and I make sure that that's going to be the main majority of what makes up all of my recipes. Now after that, I love to grab some kind of carb. So this is typically like a tortilla, a bread, some rice from the bulk section, and I just make sure to get a lot of that because I know I'm going to be making that meal in different ways a bunch of times during the week. Now, when you know you found a good grocery store is when it has a bulk aisle. Ooh, I get so excited when I see all the beautiful bulk items. This can be cashews, seeds, nuts, grains, beans, anything that is pantry stable. You can find it in bulk, and that's the easiest way to shop, more cost effective, and it's also better for the planet, which win-win-win. Come on, health, come on, planet, come on, saving money, yes. After I've got my produce and I have my carbs, I always get myself a little treat. Let's not play games. I love to go to the frozen aisle and grab myself a little treat. I always make sure to get my produce and my bulk items first, but then of course, you know, that vegan ice cream looking cute, that plant-based meat is gonna taste hearty and be able to spice up any of my dishes. Always start off with the produce, get those bulk items, and then get yourself a little treat. Another quick tip whenever you are going into the grocery store and you have no idea what to do is make sure to first shop in the perimeter. That's where all the healthy items are. So there you can find produce, fruits, vegetables, herbs, as well as some plant-based dairy alternatives and some plant-based egg alternatives too. Also, whenever you're shopping on those innermost aisles, you'll see a lot of beautiful, colorful items that look like they're healthy for you, but make sure to always turn the box around, check it out, give it a read, and check out those ingredients and nutrition facts. If you want to find out more, check out that lesson as well. And before you go out grocery shopping, be sure to check out what seasonal produce they got going on, what specials your grocery store has, or even better, find yourself a farmer's market. The best part about seasonal produce is it tastes better, it's lower cost, and of course, it's better for the planet. Now today, in conclusion, we have learned how to master a grocery store, how to eat vibrant, how to eat colorful, how to eat delicious, and eat plant-based at the same time. Now, of course, if you enjoyed this wonderful class, I suggest you go to onegreatvegan.com. There is a plethora, an abundance of different resources for you to check out. We have a cookbook, we have my course that's coming up, and so many other options for you to get your glow on. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want more vegan goodness. I will see you all in the next lesson. Peace.